3:45 meditation on sectarian prejudice. I can see two possible ways of being non-sectarian in religious matters. On the one hand, we can have respect for all religions. For example, I am a Buddhist, but at the same time, I have great respect for Christianity and the other religions. On the other hand, we might feel respect for other religions and also wish to practice them. Thus, we see some people who practice Christianity and Buddhism at the same time. This is perfectly possible to a point. Words to meditate on. And at the base of it, all religions are the same. Love thyself as thy neighbor. It doesn't have to be one or the other.